Hey everybody, Jeremy here, still at the Voice of Blockchain, here with Bill Ulivieri from Cenacle Capital Management. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Jeremy, for having me.
Can you tell us a little bit about Cenacle Capital?
Cenacle Capital is a state-registered investment advisory firm in Illinois. Formerly, I was a floor trader at the Chicago Board Options Exchange, and had been down there roughly since 1980, right? So very old school, beginning in financial services. But through the evolution of trading and the exchanges and algorithmic trading, once again, like many people here at the conference, we had to pivot and change our business model. So what we're doing is we're an investment advisor. We manage IRAs, 401ks, and small business pension plans, and also have a blockchain enterprise investment strategy to help people begin monetizing and getting exposure to the blockchain industry.
And are people showing, the traditional investors, are they showing interest in this new market, or is this something that has to be introduced to them?
A little bit of both. I would say that nobody really cares that much about Vanguard mutual funds or your basic exchange-traded funds. I would say in general, the inbound conversation and requests have been staggering for people who want to know more blockchain, try to learn how to demystify it, and also see if it's a good fit for them on the investment side.
And do you find that a lot of your investors are interested in the technological aspect of what they're investing in?
No, I would say they're not so much interested in the technological side. I think they're interested in exploring more about what they've heard. Bitcoin is an alternative asset class. Bitcoin is a new thing. They hear about it, they understand it, they see everybody else around them. So there's a little bit of FOMO in that perspective, but they want to make sure that Bitcoin is not some kind of scam. It's not really a virtual currency that's going to disappear on them. But how do I add a little bit to my portfolio or to my net worth, just in case it's as big as I think it's going to be?
Very interesting. So, do you kind of see cryptocurrency as a hedge to other investments, or something that kind of goes along the same markets? Can you translate market principles into the cryptocurrency market?
Well, I think from my perspective, for all of my career, right, so since 1980, we've had stocks, bonds, and commodities as three separate asset classes. You can break the equity side into, real estate investment trust as sort of a inflation hedge. You can use commodity-based exchange-traded funds. Like every kind of asset class or even derivative of an asset class that you want to invest in, it's available in an exchange-traded fund or a mutual fund. But now we have something completely different. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, this distributed network. All this stuff is just so cool. And I think that that everybody's going to approach cryptocurrency in the area that they feel comfortable. So you will be attracted to media-based type blockchain crypto incentives. I'm attracted to the cryptocurrencies and things that bring it as an investment class. People that can maybe potentially invest in it either on the side in a cold wallet or as a part of their 401k and IRA. So really, the answer is nobody really knows. I mean, we're all kind of figuring this out, but I think that the seeds of cryptocurrency as this new asset class are going to be amazing, and it's going to change a lot of things.
So is this a zero-sum game where cryptocurrency and fiat are directly opposed, or is this something or do you foresee a future where cryptocurrency and fiat can coexist?
Absolutely coexist. I do not believe in a maximalist position that the Federal Reserve and the banks are going down and the new global currency is going to be Bitcoin. I think we will definitely coincide perfectly side by side, depending on what the application is going to be, right? I mean, there's some things, frankly, that a US dollar beats the pants off of cryptocurrency, and vice versa. There's some really great use cases, obviously, in crypto. So I think as time goes on, we'll look back and say, wow, it was just a really great evolution in an exchange of value, exchange of information, and everything that we believe cryptocurrency and blockchain use cases are going to give us.
Where can we find more about Cenacle Capital?
www.cenaclecapital.com, or you can follow me at the Blockchain Advisor at Cenacle Capital on Twitter.
Perfect. Thank you for sitting down with us.
Thanks, Jeremy. Bye-bye.